Namaste viewers, welcome to Gnanadegula channel. In today's episode, we'll try to understand the meaning of Tithi. What does this Tithi represent? Before we go to the details, I request you to please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please go through the video completely and then post your comments in the comment box. Tithi is nothing but it's a measurement of time. It's made sacred. Anyway, it's okay. Measurement of time in Vedic astronomy. This is Tithi. So this word Tithi refers to a lunar day. What is a lunar day? It is a basic unit of time which is used in the Vedic calendar to measure a day. Vedic calendar is Panchanga. This Tithi, this period of Tithi, it represents the angular distance between sun and the moon. When the moon gains 12 degrees more than the sun, that period is called as Tithi. It is completed. One Tithi is completed and the next Tithi takes over. The moon roughly takes about 29.5 days to go around this earth. So there are 30 Tithis in lunar month, 30 days in lunar month. 15 in Śukla Pakṣa, they have divided into two: Śukla Pakṣa, waxing phase, and 15 in the Kṛṣṇa Pakṣa, the waning phase. So now, how do we measure this? Is there any basis? What is the basis? Is there any scientific way it is? Science means systematic study, whether it is there. Now, if you look at that, each Tithi is not a fixed 24-hour day. That we have to remember. See, unlike the Gregorian calendar, where one day represents from morning sunrise to the next day sunrise, the entire period is around 24 hours. This is how it is divided. Sometimes it will be very slight variation will be there. Anyway, this duration changes because in the Tithi, because the moon's speed varies in its orbit. So therefore, a Tithi can last between 19 and 26 hours. It could be 19 hours or 20. It may go up to 26 hours, 19 and a half, like this, depending upon the celestial positions. So the formula is only simple: 12 degrees. One Tithi is 12 degrees, difference between sun and the moon's longitudes. If the moon is 12 degrees ahead of the sun, first Tithi, that is Pratipat, happens. If the moon is 24 degrees ahead, second Tithi, Dvitiya, and so on it goes. There are 30 Tithis and their names, they have given names. It's only number, Pratipad, Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturthiya, all numbers only. 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Panchami is 5, Shashti 6, Saptami, Ashtami, Navami is 9, Dashmi, Ekadashi, Dvadashi, that is 9, 10, 11, Trayodasi means 13, Chaturdasi is 14, and Purnima, full moon, or Amavasya. And the first phase, Purnima comes. The next phase it is Amavasya, like this, alternatively. So this is how it is named. Padya, Vidya, Tadika, Chauthi, Panchami, Shashti, Saptami, Ashtami, Navami, Dashmi, Ekadashi, Dvadashi, Trayodasi, Chaturdasi, Purnima, or Amavasya. Now, why is it important? How is it important in Vedic and religious context? This Tithi, it is the foundation of the Hindu Panchanga. Panchanga is almanac, and it determines the times of festivals, times of vratas, times of rituals, So many things. Whatever you do, it depends upon this. And auspicious and inauspicious days, muhurta calculation, all those things. Here, this energy quality of time. For instance, the Ekadashi is ideal for fasting and meditation. Chaturthi is for Ganesha worship. These are that particular period, that particular Tithi, the particular day is it is for auspicious or inauspicious purpose. It is divided like that. Each Tithi carries some kind of a vibrational energy. It influences both cosmic, psychological. So because of that, it influences our life also. All these rhythms, it influences. Now there is one doubt by many people, they have a doubt whether how accurate this is, whether it is accurate or whether it is something, randomly they pick up and then keep this is the Tithi, that is the Tithi, like this. Ancient Indian astronomers like Aryabhata, Varahamihira, Bhaskaracharya, they all used very precise trigonometric and observational methods to calculate this. Even modern astronomy also, they confirm that the Vedic Tithi, that measurement of time, is very highly accurate. They also accept, even the modern astronomy also, on the position of the stars and things like that, they say the system is highly accurate. This method very precisely measures time based on the celestial movement, not on human-made conventions like earlier you used to have this glass with fine sand. If you tilt, it is one measure of time. If you tilt it the other way, it is another measure of time. This was all those kinds of things were there. This is totally a highly accurate, and then it depends upon the celestial movement. This Tithi also aligns with solar and lunar cycles, making it one of the earliest luni-solar systems in human history, we can say. There are a lot of spiritual significance also. Tithi represents some kind of an interplay between solar, that is Surya, and the lunar Chandra energies, symbolic of the conscious and subconscious dimensions of human life. Chandrama manaso jataha chakshuhu suryo ajayata, they say. So Chandra, that lunar thing, it affects subconscious mind dimensions of human life, whereas Surya affects the conscious way. Now, living in tune with this Tithi cycle harmonizes one's actions with cosmic rhythm, which is the essence of Sanatana Dharma, which is at awareness, Dharma's time awareness. Viewers, with this explanation in English on this Tithi, we conclude this episode. I hope this was quite interesting. Please like, share, and then subscribe to my channel. Please post your comments in the comment box. Thank you, viewers, for your valuable time in listening to this. Thank you.